Mr. Shri Narendra Modi ji launched Semicon India on the 1st January of 2022. One of the key elements of this program was that India will develop 85,000 semiconductor professionals over a period of 10 years. As a part of this exercise, in consultation with the semiconductor industry, all the experts, a new course curriculum has been developed, and today AICTE within the Ministry of Education has launched two new programs. First is a BTech program in semiconductor and second is a diploma program in semiconductor. These two programs will help us create throughout the entire engineering ecosystem very good semiconductor talent. I would encourage the youngsters, the students and the industry to participate in these programs, and I thank the Ministry of Education and I thank Honorable Prime Minister for having this visionary leadership in developing the semiconductor industry.